Class 8, Chapter 11, Force and Pressure. We already discussed about force, types of force. Today, we are going to discuss about pressure. So, before we talk about pressure, we need to explain one thing. The effect that a force produces on an object. Whenever force apply on an object, if I apply force on this board, so what will happen? If this board will broken, otherwise my hand will broken. So first thing, these all effect depend upon two factors. First factor is the magnitude of force applied. How much force applied on an object. Greater the force applied, greater the effect applied. The magnitude of force applied, the greater the force, the greater is its effect. And second factor, the force cover which the area, whatever the area covered by force is applied. When I apply force on this board, that much of area covered by my hand. So two factors. One, how much magnitude of force applied, and second, how much area covered while applying the force. By these two things, the development of pressure is happen. Okay, so see what is pressure. So pressure can be defined by a definition, which is pressure is the force exerted per unit area. The force exerted per unit area. So per unit area, the force exerted per unit area is known as pressure. So pressure is equals to force upon area. We know that the SI unit of force is Newton, and the SI unit of area is meter square. Then the SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. And as like the force, the SI unit of force is actually kg into meter per second square, means mass into acceleration, and which is known as Newton. Similarly, Newton upon meter square is said to be Pascal, 1 Pascal. If we say 1 Pascal of pressure, then it means that 1 Newton of force apply on 1 meter square area. Let us take an example. Calculate the pressure exerted by a bricks. Calculate the pressure exerted by exerted by, calculate the pressure exerted by a brick, a brick, a brick which applies a force of 2.5 Newton. So we have to focus on 2.5 Newton, which is given part. So we have force as a given part, and we need to calculate the amount of pressure. And the dimension of brick is 25 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter. We know that brick is a three-dimensional figure, a solid of cuboid. This is a solid of a rectangle. So this 3D figure having their length, breadth and height, which is given as follow: length into breadth into height. Okay, the area of cuboid is L into B into height, H. So by this way we get the area. Now pressure equals to force upon area. Force is 2.5 Newton and area, when we calculate it, then $625. The area of these bricks is 0.005 meter square. 0.00